The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is a Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. Now, viewers and subscribers, me about an incident where it is said that a 76-year-old male had been accused of killing a 65-year-old female, and it is said that this had happened because of the thing that is called domestic dispute. Now, viewers and subscribers, when me hear about this, me I say to myself, say, what? 76-year-old man at this age? Me I say, no, sir. At this age, no one should be even trying to put themselves in any form of problem if you find themselves to go prison at this age of 70 or so forth. You see me? Nobody shouldn't even try to put themselves in a problem no matter what the age. But anyways, I start do some research and I start to read some reports out there about this incident because I'm trying to find out what happened and what could have caused something like this to have happened. You see me? And remember now, in the viewers and subscribers, I said that the 76-year-old man had been accused of killing a 65-year-old female. All right, so I'm going to explain to you according to how I understand as to what has been said in reports out there about this whole incident. All right, now, viewers and subscribers, according to reports, it is said that a 76-year-old man had been placed into police custody in relation to the killing of a 65-year-old female. And according to reports, it is said that both persons are from the parish that is known as St. Elizabeth, that is of the country of Jamaica. Now, according to reports, it is said that the body of the female had been discovered on the 29th of February 2020, sometime after 6 p.m. The body of the 65-year-old had been discovered at her home by one of her children, and according to reports, it is said that the body had been found on the floor with the throat slashed. Now, the first time me hear about this, and according to how me hear about this incident the first time, I did think that the 76-year-old man and the 65-year-old female was now deceased. I thought that the two persons were living together, or they were husband and wife, or so forth. But, upon doing my research and so forth, I get to understand that it is not exactly like that. You see me? Now, according to reports, it is said that the 76-year-old male is a man that lives with his wife. But, however, it is said that the 76-year-old male and the 65-year-old female who is now deceased, they have a child together. It is said that some of the times the 76-year-old male and the 65-year-old female who is now deceased would have some arguments. And according to how I understand as to what has been said about these arguments and reports out there, it would seem as if these arguments were heated arguments, you see me? And according to some of the things that has been said in reports out there by persons that are said to be family members, it would seem as if they are saying that the 76-year-old male is a person that is abusive. It is said that the two persons, which is the 75-year-old male and the 65-year-old female, they were having somewhat of an argument earlier before the body of the female had been discovered. You see what I'm saying to you? I'm just telling you according to how I understand as to what has been said in reports out there. It might not be word for word, but I'm just trying to explain to you according to how I understand it. Yes, so this whole incident that had happened, viewers and subscribers, it is believed to be somewhat of a domestic dispute between the two persons that had gone very wrong. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, this whole domestic dispute thing, really and truly, it had gone really and truly bad throughout the world, and not just Jamaica, you see me? And not just Jamaica, you see me? This domestic dispute thing, but I think I just Jamaica alone, them thing are going. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, me Dancehall Skilla, I'm only there so to keep you up to date and post it and make you know what I go on. And you can let me know what you think about something like this. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see it.